How to make money online by doing survey. So this is what I've been doing. I and my friends have been doing it. I have students I teach how to make money online using some of these platforms. Now this is called Premise. This Premise, you can do it in Nigeria, you can do it in Europe, you can do it anywhere in the world. It's very simple. All right, so this is the amount of money you can make in a day. You can make over 100,000 naira in a day just by doing this simple tasks. What are the tasks you're expected to do? You're expected to snap pictures, answer simple questions, just small tasks, and they pay you. All right, so what you've just watched now is my own dashboard. So that is the task I'm expected to do today to earn that money. Do you understand? So if you're in Nigeria and you know you want to make this type of money, I am teaching you for free. Now what you have to do is go to your Play Store, go and check for Premise, download Premise, register on it. It's very free, it's very simple. Register on Premise and start making money online. It's free of charge. All right, just go take simple pictures, you make money. Answer simple questions, you make money. All right, so if you're interested in this, put it in the comment section. If you already know about it, put it in the comment section and tell me how much you've made from it. All right, please share this video because the country is too hard right now. We need to help ourselves. Share this video, follow this page for more. Thank you and God bless.